Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, the 5th of November. But we will start by taking a look at this afternoon's weather first of all, which is really going to be focused on the east coast. This low pressure trough moving through New South Wales is likely to generate showers and thunderstorms through northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland through Monday afternoon and evening, potentially becoming severe in some parts. It is a good idea to keep an eye on the Bureau's website in case we do need to issue any warnings through the course of today. Now, that storm risk will actually continue into tomorrow as well, because this low pressure trough is lying largely non-stationary in this area, continuing to generate that thunderstorm risk in those parts. Elsewhere across the country tomorrow, though, plenty of heat across northern and inland parts, with storms a risk through South Australia as well. Let's take a state-by-state closer look at all of that now, starting with Queensland. It is going to be a hot day across Queensland tomorrow. High fire dangers across western and inland parts of the state, with low to severe intensity heat waves continuing. You can see Birdsville expecting to reach 44 degrees tomorrow. It will be a little milder along the coast, and we do have the chance of showers and thunderstorms through the southeast of the state during the afternoon and evening. There is a risk of isolated severe thunderstorms about the border ranges and far southeast tomorrow, but they're likely to be a lot less widespread than what we saw in these areas late last week. For Brisbane, we are looking at a shower or two tomorrow, possible afternoon thunderstorm with a top of 32 degrees. In New South Wales, we can expect a foggy morning through parts of the southeast and then light patchy showers up the east coast through the morning and early part of the afternoon. Those showers are likely to be a little bit more scattered through the northeast of the state, with storms a risk in those parts tomorrow as well, potentially severe about the northern ranges and parts of the northern rivers. Again, keep an eye on the Bureau's website in case we need to issue warnings for any storms tomorrow. Elsewhere across the state, though, it will be more settled and sunnier, with heat being the story of the day. Canberra is looking at a sunny top of 27 degrees tomorrow. A few showers around for Sydney, particularly through the morning and afternoon, with a top of 23 degrees. In Victoria tomorrow, we are looking at some morning fogs through southern parts of the state, then a mild and sunny day following. The one exception will be the far northwest, where we'll see some cloud and patchy light showers sneaking in later in the day. For Melbourne, though, for our Cup Day, we are looking at a sunny top of 26 degrees tomorrow. Down in Tasmania, we'll see mild and mostly sunny weather through eastern and central parts of the state, with a little bit of cloud and patchy light shower activity through the west. Hobart is looking at a mild day, a top of 22 degrees and mostly sunny for our Tuesday. In South Australia, it will be a hot and unsettled day. We've got high fire dangers for many areas, extreme about the west coast, with widespread showers and possible storms across many areas. Now, rainfall totals from storms are likely to be fairly hit and miss. If you get one moving directly overhead, you might get a bit in the rainfall gauge, but generally speaking, the widespread totals will be fairly low. But those thunderstorms could bring some gusty, possibly damaging wind gusts to some parts during the afternoon and evening, particularly through the northwest pastoral and northern parts of the Eyre Peninsula. For Adelaide tomorrow, we are looking at a shower or two, possible afternoon thunderstorm with a top of 30 degrees. Over in Western Australia, we've got a trough moving across southwestern parts of the Southwest Land Division, bringing cooler and showery weather to these areas. Perth is looking at a shower or two tomorrow with a top of 22 degrees. Further inland, though, it will be warmer and drier. We've got high fire dangers across pretty much the southern area of Western Australia. Extreme fire dangers on the way for the Euclid district tomorrow, with gusty winds a risk through those inland parts as well. Across the tropical north tomorrow, heat is going to be the story of the day once again, with low to severe intensity heatwave conditions for the Kimberley, North Interior and parts of the Northern Territory as well. Thunderstorms will be possible through the afternoon and evening through some of those same areas, but more like patchy light showers along the top end coast. For Darwin tomorrow, we are heading for a top of 35 degrees. Now, you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the BOM Weather app, or via our social media. Have a good day, and we'll catch you next time.